class, welcome to the English class. As you all know, in our previous class we have started our new chapter, that is chapter number 5, Going to the Village, and we have done the reading practice of page number 41. So now today we will continue our chapter. My children, before continuing our chapter, let me tell you, in our previous story we have seen that there were two girls, Aditi and Nitya, and they both are going to the village to their uncle and auntie house who lives in a village, and they both are very excited to go there because they are going first time in a village. They are going to see first time in a village. And last question they asked to their mother, Mama, what do uncle and auntie do there? Then their mother replied, they work on a farm and they grow sugarcane and rice there, and even Rajuta auntie runs the girls' school. So today now let's continue our story. When Aditi and Nitya were talking to the mother, then father replied, they started it last year so that the girls in the village can study in a school nearby. Sometime when it is cool, they have their classes under a huge banyan tree. Then father replied that yes, my children, they have started the school. Your auntie and uncle started the school last year so that the girls in the village can study, because in the village the schools are very far away from the village. So they have decided to start the school in the village so that every girl can take the studies, every girl can study. And when the weather is very cool, they have their classes, means they study under a huge means big banyan tree. When the weather is very cool, they have their classes under the tree. Then with Nitya said, I would love to make friends with all of them. Then Nitya again got excited and say, yay, Papa, I would love to make friends there. I would love to make friends in the school there. Then father replied, looks like our station is just a few minutes away. Then father replied, beta, stop. I think our station is about to come. Then Aditi asked from Papa, how will we reach the farm? Are there autos and taxis to take us there? Then Aditi asked from Papa, Papa, how will we reach on the farm? Are there taxis and auto to take us? Then father replied, no, there are buses. Maybe your uncle and aunt will bring their tractor. We can ride on it to the village. Then father replied, no beta, there are not taxis and auto. There are buses, and I think your uncle and aunt will come with their tractor, and I will go and we will go on that. So you can see that this is the tractor. This is called tractor. Then father replied, beta, I think your uncle and auntie will come to take us and they will bring their tractor. Then Nitya, I wonder what kind of house they live in. Then Nitya again eager to know. Wonder means eager to know. Wonder means eager to know and feel curious. Nitya again feel very curious and ask what kind of house they live in. Mama, tell me what kind of house uncle and auntie have. Then mother replied, the house has trees all around it. Then mother replied, in their house the trees are all around the house and a courtyard in the center. And courtyard, जिसको आप आंगन बोलते हैं. Courtyard means an open area inside a house surrounded by walls. एक बहुत बिग एरिया जो बिल्कुल साइड पे तो उसके वॉल्स होते हैं और सेंटर में बिल्कुल ओपन होता है, एंड इट इज इनसाइड द हाउस. दैट इज कॉल्ड कोर्टयार्ड. दैट इज इन द सेंटर. देयर इज अ वेल एट द बैक. Now mother described the house of uncle and auntie that there are trees all around, courtyard in the center, and well is at the back of the house. When we were young, we used to sit under the trees at night. And when we were young, we loved to sit under the trees at night, and Grandpa would tell us story. The people of the village would gather to listen to the story. Sometime, when it was very hot, we would sleep under the trees. They smelled so good and it felt so cool. Then Mama replied that when we were young, we loved to sit under the trees at night, and our grandpa tell us a lot of stories, and all the villagers came, gathered means collected together, and loved to listen the story. Then Aditi said, the houses in the city are usually small. When Aditi listened to Mama that the uncle and auntie house is very big, there is one courtyard, well, and trees all around. Then Nitya said, Mama, I think the houses in the city are usually small. Then Mother replied, well, many houses in the village are small too. Some of them have thatched roof, some houses are big and have tiled roof. Then Mama replied, no, in village also there are small houses too. कुछ small houses भी हैं. Some of them have thatched roof. जिनकी roof कैसी है? Thatched means their roof cover with some straw and reeds. कुछ घास फूस और उससे जो roof cover होती है, that is called thatched roof. And some houses जो big house होते हैं, that is having tiled roof. जैसे हम लोगों की tiled roof होती है ना, टाइल लगी होती है roof पे. कुछ जो big house होते हैं, that is having tiled roof, and some small houses are there that is having thatched roof. Then father said, the train is about to stop at our station. Come, pick up the bags and move forward the exit. Remember, it will stop here for just 2 minutes. Then father said to mother and Aditi and Nitya, stop talking. Now our station is about to come. Come and pick up your bags and move to the exit place. And remember that the train will stop here only for 2 minutes. So be ready fast. The family gets off at the station. The platform is small and almost empty. When they reached the station, they saw that the platform is small and almost empty. Nitya, Uncle Naresh, Auntie Rajuta. When they reached the platform, they saw their uncle and auntie. Then Nitya got very happy and shouted, yay, Uncle Naresh, Auntie Rajuta. Then uncle said, welcome. Did you have a comfortable journey? Then uncle said, welcome my girls, welcome to the village. Did you have a comfortable journey? Means you have enjoyed the journey? Then Aditi said, we did. Yes, uncle, we enjoyed a lot. Auntie, come this way. The tractor is parked at the end of the station. Then auntie said, come on, come with me. And the tractor is outside the means end of the station. Nitya, will you drive the tractor, auntie? Then Nitya asked to auntie, auntie, will you drive the tractor? Then auntie replied, why not? Would you and Aditi like to sit beside me in the front? Then auntie said, why not? I can drive the tractor. Would you love to sit with me? Would you love to sit near with me? Then Nitya said, yes, we would. Yes, of course, auntie. Aditi, what fun! Will the tractor take us through the fields? Then Aditi asked, yeah, wow, what a fun! We will enjoy here a lot. And she is very happy and asking, will the tractor take us through the field? कि हमें ट्रैक्टर फील्ड की तरफ से ले जाने वाला है. Then uncle said, no, it might spoil the crops. However, you can see the fields as we drive by. Then uncle said, no beta, when we will move the tractor through the field, then it might spoil the crop. It will spoil the crops, so you can enjoy the field as we drive by. So my children, you can see that this is the story. So my children, this is the interesting story of the chapter number 5, going to the village. So my every child will do the reading practice of this chapter and learn the exercise work, word meaning, question answers, and all the things which I will give to you that you have to learn. So first, Before learning it, everyone will listen the story, read the story and enjoy the story. Bye bye my children. Meet you in the next class.